Which coffee beans work best for pop-up coffee stands? Freshly roasted, medium roast whole beans with a balanced Arabica blend usually work best because they taste smooth, suit many drinks, and perform reliably on busy equipment. Choose beans roasted within about 2 to 4 weeks because coffee slowly loses the gases and aromas that create a lively flavor. Whole beans are usually better than pre-ground coffee since grinding exposes much more surface area to air, causing flavor to fade faster. A medium roast is a useful starting point because it can taste sweet and clear in espresso while still working well for drip coffee. Look for flavors such as chocolate, caramel, nuts, or mild fruit, since these are easy for many customers to enjoy. A blend can be more consistent than a single origin because the roaster can balance different beans when harvests change. If your stand serves milk drinks, choose beans with a strong, pleasant flavor that will not disappear under milk. If you mainly serve black coffee, a lighter medium roast may show more fruit and floral notes, but it may require more careful brewing. Before buying a large amount, test small samples using your exact grinder, water, recipe, and machine. Then record the dose, grind setting, brew time, and customer reactions. One common mistake is choosing a dark roast because it looks stronger, even though it can taste bitter or smoky and hide the bean's quality. So begin with a medium roast and adjust after tasting. Another mistake is changing beans without recalibrating the grinder, because different beans can need different grind sizes, so check the shot time whenever you open a new bag. Some owners also buy too much coffee at once, which leads to stale beans, so order smaller amounts more often and store them sealed, cool, and away from sunlight. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.